Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix Caro light corn syrup, eggs, sugar, butter and vanilla using a spoon or a rubber spatula. Stir in pecans and pour the mixture into pie crust. Bake on center rack of oven for 60 to 70 minutes. Cool for at least 2 hours on wire rack before serving.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You start with Caro syrup because it gives your pie the perfect amount of sweetness and gooiness that a pecan pie needs. You can either use light or dark, it's simply preference. Dark will give your pie a more robust flavor, while the light gives a more delicate vanilla flavor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Do not shorten cooking time or lower oven temperature to avoid over-browning your crust. Pecan pie is notoriously difficult to bake because it can be difficult to tell when it is done. The crust and the pecans can burn easily if overcooked, but the middle can come out runny if it's not cooked long enough.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.